Left forearm on your thighs. Take your right arm, reach up and over. Reach through those fingertips. Get the elbow right next to your ear. Keep your chin retracted inward. And again, we're just breathing into your side body. And from there, we're going to slowly come up. Keep your feet grounded into the floor. Take your right arm, place it on the back of the chair. Take your left hand to the outside of that right knee. Lift your chest, and now just slightly look over your right shoulder for an easy spinal twist. You're always listening to your body. You're never forcing anything. Just really use the power of your breath for this posture.